How to delete bookmarks from iPhone home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete bookmarks from your iPhone home screen, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete bookmarks from your iPhone home screen, all you have to do is go ahead and it'll actually launch the bookmark over here. So here you can see this is a certain bookmark of a Safari browser that I've added. If I want to remove them from my home screen, is by removing that just like how you would do to any other app. So you just have to long press on that bookmark here, tap on delete bookmark, and then tap the delete option in order to remove that bookmark from your iPhone home screen. You can repeat the process for any of the other bookmarks that you might have added. This way you can go ahead and then delete bookmarks from your iPhone home screen. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.